Hello, my name is Ankush Sharma and today's my topic is based on core Java. So I chose the naming conventions in Java. So we all know writing name clean, which is very important in our program. Like if we are working in the team, then if other developer is using our code, then they should understand what we have write in our program. So that's why naming conventions in Java is very important. So also by using naming convention properly in our programming, it helps to improve the maintainability, the readability, and also writing clean improves our our code looks very proper. After that, if it also avoid the confusion, like if other developer is using our code, then they will not confuse with our method name or the variable name, whatever we are writing there. That's why naming conventions is very important. There are two types of naming conventions in Java, which is the Pascal case naming convention and the camel case naming convention. So let's break down this both naming conventions which is we use in the Java. So first we'll discuss about the Pascal case. What is the Pascal case? So in Pascal case, every first word will have the capital letter. Only first word will be the capital. Like if I am using the customer order, then in customer I will provide the capital C, and after that without underscore, without anything, will write the order, and that order's O will be capital. So in this is the example of the Pascal case naming convention, where all the first word will have the first letter capital. Like when we create the classes or the interfaces, that time we have to use the Pascal case naming convention. Not we have to use, it is very important to use. Like if you are creating the class or the interfaces, that time you have to use the Pascal case. After that we have the camel case naming convention. So what is the name camel case? In camel case, most of the time, like when we create the methods, when we create the variables, that time we use the camel case naming conventions. In camel case, what we do first, like if I want to write the customer order, then in that customer order, these both of the words, I will not provide the spaces or the underscores, whatever I will not provide. But in customer, like what is the first, where is the first letter, first letter will be the smaller. Like customer orders, customers C will be the smaller. So this is the example of the camel case naming convention. So it is very simple. If you are creating the classes or the interfaces, you have to use the Pascal case naming convention. But if you are creating the method or the variables, that time you have to use the camel case naming convention. Also there are the not other types, but if you are creating the constants, if you are writing the constants, that time you have to write all the letters in the capital. Like if you are writing any word, then your all the letters must be in the capital letter. But if I am writing the max point, like if in array we find the max numbers or the min number, that time we use max underscore value. That time we write max values, all the letters in the capital. That time we have, like this is the constants. Like that time we are using constants. After that, if we are creating the package, that time we have to write all the lowercase letters in the package names. So this only both two types are there in Java, like naming conventions in Java, which is the Pascal case and camel case. Both are big, and if we all know that if we are working on big project, then we are not one who is creating everything. we all have some little parts. So that time if we will write proper, if we will write proper naming convention, so other developer will not be confused, and that developer will easily understand and understand that code. That's why use the naming convention in our program, which is very important. Thank you.